My name is Jason Rivas. I am the business process analyst for CharTec. CharTec is a hardware as a service company that services and provides support and hardware for partners all over the world. What I do is I build processes and procedures for products that are already in the line and products that are coming down the pipeline. So as CharTec develops new products, one of the first primary focuses that I do is figure out how to get it to the public and to the partners in an automated fashion, and that gives them the best value for their money for the product. The biggest thing that I had in a problem with previous experience is the fact that ticketing was slow. Getting response to basic service inquiry was very, very poor. And the ability for me to look at a before and after where I was and where I'm at now is a vast difference. The communication with the team that we had was very, very difficult to respond to what I needed. There was a low aptitude level, and it just felt like I was having to train the developer. There has been a 100% satisfaction in how it's been able to give us our effective expectation on how web development and maintenance should be. Giving us a product that is easy to use, that is multi-versatile. I can do so much with what our base is now as opposed to what it was before. I can log in from my terminal at the house and figure out how to solve a problem within a few moments. And if I have a question about that, I can get in touch with the team very quickly. So the effectiveness has been exceedingly beyond expectation, because now we have a team that we don't feel like we have to train. We have a team that we know is cognizant of what they need to do and how they can help us the first time. Beyond the fact that it's a integratable product with ConnectWise, because we speak ConnectWise, that's what we do. The ability for us to also convey its effectiveness with our partners and relaying how this can also automate functions and activities for them with their business is paramount. Business owners want to save time. Business owners want to save money. This is not necessarily a product, but this is a service that provides that. And there are people behind that service that can provide that support when things don't go as planned. And that's what's paramount to us. That's what's big to me. It's the idea that I don't have to go into great detail about what I need. I can give and when I first started working, it was the fact that I gave even the vaguest circumstance. Hey, I'm looking for a button to be here. Can we do this? So it automatically creates a ticket. It was done because the expectation was already set at a certain point. We knew what we needed. Directive knew what I was talking about, so I don't have to train a developer to figure out how to read me. That's big. The support team knows what I need. When I give them, I could come in hot and say, you know what, I've got a really tough issue right now. I've got a tough time frame. Can you help me with this? And the overwhelming response with every single time I've had that is, yes, let's get this taken care of. I will let you know when things come up. Communication is imperative when it comes to web development, because that is an image of you on the web. People are going to see it whether you want them to or not, so you might as well give them the best you have. They've been meeting my expectation time and time again, because when I expect something to be done, I have the tendency to be very critical about how others are being with my service requirement. When somebody can rise to my expectation, that's saying something. So when I know from the beginning, can we do this? Is this our time frame? And the resounding answer is yes, and it's followed through with, that means something to me. Because that means the next time I need something, I don't have to wonder about whether they get it or whether this development team can do it. It can be done, it can be supported, and it can be maintained after the fact. Absolutely. Because one thing it's going to do, it's going to take a common business problem. How do I get a website that works for me? It's going to take that and it's going to show you, this team's going to show you how it can work. Let me build you a site that can work for you. Let me give you a site that you can update. Furthermore, if all that goes to the wayside, if you need us to help you find a way to make this work better, outside of what we may be able to do, talk to us. Let us know how to make this, because we can develop a site that can take you to whatever level you desire. It's just a matter of letting us know what you want to do. So Directive has this capability to take common concern, or even an outlandish objection. Hey, I'd really like it to spin on its leg and turn left. You know what? The development team has a way of doing that. People can get exactly what they want from Directive because they're real people giving a real product, real support. You really can't find that in today's business plan anymore.